That's Billy Bob. I'm Mason. And this here is my motorized chopper bicycle. I guess. I don't know. I got it off a neighbor of mine. I had one of these motorized bicycle kits. There's my speaker. Had it on a beach cruiser. And I messed up them back tires. Fierce. You quit. You're getting in the camera way. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. You see, he's spray painting. Yeah. Well, there's my kit. So I gotta make me a bracket here because these got broke because this piece of crap metal, this casting or whatever this motor's made out of. I'm gonna have to get some brakes. I'm gonna need to. We'll be hooking up all the electrical and the sprockets and the gas tanks in the next video. One of the problems I have with this application on this bicycle, or whatever you want to call it, intake. There ain't enough room there for the NT carburetor. See, look at that. Hold on. Look at that. See? Ain't no room. So I came up with this idea. We came up with an idea. Yeah. Take your elbow pipe, little piece of PVC. Hook it in here. But on the other side. But the pipe I bought today was too small. I didn't get the right size. So I got to run to the hardware store tomorrow and get it. I don't know if it'll work. Some other people on YouTube had them like this. They just had it slipped in there and then had their, well, hold on, I'll show you. They had it, one side slipped on to the intake manifold, and then the carburetor hooked to the other side and had it at an angle a little bit so it'd run down and then just kind of just run into the carburetor. So, or right in the carburetor, but into the intake motor chamber. We got some smudges on there. He's touching up with that chrome paint. Supposed to be chrome, and I ain't just silver. Dollar store rooked me on that deal. Got the big old fatty tire back there. I like that. I have to go and put what the crap's that floating around? I have to go and put the sprocket on that. Put this gas tank on there. I had to bend the brackets out. You see. And then we got this big old metal piece here, so we're gonna have to stick it on here and run the bolts through this piece, run a big old bolt all the way through it. And tune in for our next video. This is part 1. Like and subscribe for Billy Bob and Mason. And I really mean like and subscribe, not say you did and didn't. People, yeah, I know, you know who you are. Yeah, okay.
You got a slack off there.
Well, we'll tune in on another video when we get some more stuff done.